Did you know some of the highest rated clippers break after just a few uses? I analyzed over 50 clippers and found the 7 best ones, and honestly, the results shocked me. Some of the most expensive options performed terribly, while budget picks delivered professional results. I'm breaking down all 7, from beginner-friendly family options to tools perfect for barber students, covering every budget and skill level. All the product links are in the description if you want to check them out. Let's dive in. First up is the Wall Color Pro 9649P, and if you've never cut hair before, this is where you want to start. What makes this clipper genuinely beginner-friendly is the color-coded guide comb system that takes all the guesswork out of choosing hair lengths. Instead of memorizing numbers, you match the color on the clipper to the color on the comb. The kit includes self-sharpening blades and 60 minutes of cordless runtime. It's designed more for straightforward cuts than complex fades, and works best with fine to medium hair textures. The plastic construction keeps it lightweight and affordable. But here's what makes this clipper shine. It's quiet enough that parents successfully use it on children sensitive to loud noises, and the cordless freedom means you can set up anywhere. Picture Sunday afternoon. 3 kids need haircuts before school Monday, and you're done with all of them in under an hour at home. For twice monthly touch-ups and basic family grooming, this delivers impressive value in the budget range. The Nova HCL002 steps things up considerably for anyone wanting professional results without the premium price. These clippers have been tested in top barbershops worldwide, which explains their performance. You're getting all-metal unibody construction, 6 premium guards, a variable gauge adjustable head, and a high-definition LED display showing speed and battery status. I have to say, what impresses me most is how it delivers professional-level fading capabilities you typically only find in clippers costing twice as much. The click taper lever locks firmly in place, preventing accidental blade position shifts mid-fade. Quick blade alignment out of the box gets you ready in minutes, and once adjusted, you're set. The 3+ hours of battery life and overall build quality make this an absolute steal for student barbers or serious home users. Speaking of battery life, the Jack & Rose hair clipper set absolutely crushes the competition with 4 solid hours of runtime on the main clipper and 3 hours on the trimmer. The set includes a full-size clipper with carbon steel blades and a zero-gapped T-blade trimmer that cuts down to 0.08 mm for precision detailing. Everything is IPX7 waterproof rated, so cleanup is as simple as rinsing under the tap. The digital display shows exact battery percentage, not vague indicator bars, which helps you plan your cutting sessions better. Imagine you're a busy parent squeezing in haircuts whenever you grab 15 minutes. You might use these Monday morning, Wednesday evening, twice over the weekend, and by Sunday night you're still at 80% battery. The solid metal build gives you professional weight and control, perfect for confident handling during longer sessions. The sheer runtime and waterproof design make this kit incredibly practical for families who hate dealing with charging. If you're in barber school or starting professionally, the TPO-B Slime 2 deserves attention because it's giving you premium clipper performance for significantly less. Created by actual barbers tired of corporations pricing tools out of reach, TPO-B delivers professional features at accessible prices. The 6800 RPM motor is legitimately whisper quiet, perfect for cutting children's hair or working late at night. You get the TPO-BX carbon fade blade that stays cooler and resists rust, a click lever that locks solidly during fades, and over 3 hours of battery power. Professional stylists with over a decade of experience put these right alongside premium brands in cut quality. They're optimized for fine to medium hair textures, perfect for the 20 to 30 cuts weekly that barber students typically do. For barber students or home users wanting legitimate professional fading capability, the Slime 2 offers remarkable value in the medium price range. For anyone who's had clippers die halfway through a haircut, the Haukree model solves that nightmare with true corded and cordless flexibility. Unlike other cordless-only options, the Haukree lets you plug it in mid-cut and keep working without waiting. You get 200 minutes of cordless runtime plus 3 adjustable speed settings. Picture this: you're giving yourself a fade Sunday evening, sides and back done, and just as you start blending the top, the battery warning flashes. With the Haukree, you grab the cord, plug into the wall, and finish without missing a beat. That plug-and-play feature is genuinely game-changing. The speed adjusts when battery hits 60% to conserve power, something to keep in mind if you're doing detailed fade work. But that flexibility of never being stuck with a dead battery, combined with the complete accessory kit, makes this incredibly practical for home users wanting professional results. The U-free hair clippers stand out with all-metal shell construction that sets them apart from plastic-heavy competition. The metal housing survives drops and adds weight for better control without causing hand fatigue thanks to balanced distribution. You're getting hand-polished deep groove blades with zero-gap capability, an LCD smart display, and a massive battery delivering up to 5 hours of runtime. The 6500 RPM motor cuts quietly at under 60 decibels, and the kit includes a professional T-blade trimmer. The adjustable taper lever enables precise fades, and unlike cheaper plastic clippers that feel flimsy after months, this metal construction suggests years of reliable service. What's particularly interesting is that the company founder is actually a professional barber, which explains the focus on features that actually matter for regular cutting. The base set comes with essential guide combs, and you can always add more guards separately if you want additional length options. The metal construction handles inevitable drops and bumps far better than plastic alternatives. Finally, the Olaf Professional 7053 prioritizes safety and ease of use over raw cutting power. This clipper uses replaceable ceramic blade heads rather than traditional steel, meaning it won't nick or irritate sensitive skin as easily. You get 4 adjustable length settings, 2 speed options, 90 minutes of battery life with USB charging, and full IPX7 waterproof protection. What makes this appealing for families is how genuinely safe it is, with ceramic blades that glide smoothly without aggressive cutting action. This sits more in the all-purpose grooming tool category than dedicated professional clipper territory. It's specifically designed for safe family grooming rather than barbershop fading, making it perfect for general grooming and basic haircuts. At the budget end of pricing, you're getting a safe, versatile solution for families wanting one tool for multiple purposes. So let's bring this together. For complete beginners or family use, the Wahlcolor Pro makes the most sense with its foolproof color-coded system. For barber students wanting professional results, consider the TPOB Slime 2 for exceptional quiet performance, or the Nova HCL002 for all-metal durability. Home users planning years of use should consider the U-Free with its metal construction and 5-hour battery. For large families or frequent use, the Jack & Rose set delivers incredible 4-hour runtime that eliminates battery anxiety. The Haukri shines for anyone wanting corded and cordless flexibility, particularly valuable if you've ever been stuck mid-haircut with dead clippers. And for families prioritizing safety with young children or sensitive skin, the OLOV offers ceramic blade protection in the budget tier. All links are in the description, and if this breakdown helped you figure out which clipper matches your needs, hitting subscribe helps us create more detailed comparisons. Happy clipping!